then we were going to be closed next weekend, but since we had to close so many times in January, we're going to stay open. But then the weekend after that will be closed. And I can't wait to just chill. I mean, I'll still come in and do stuff for the farmers market that weekend because it's on Sunday. But I took off that week for my other job too. And actually, that weekend, the last weekend of the month, we are, like I said, closed except for the farmers market. But if you were interested in coming in and just like helping with the farmers market stuff, let me know. No pressure. You can definitely take time off. The hours will be different. Hi. Oh, you're fine. Mhm. Okay. Do you want to put sprinkles on cookies? So yeah, just wash your hands and put gloves on, and then I'll dip and. He's a lion. What are they? Oh, actually, could you grab the container of chocolate from out there? We're gonna need more. What is it? So I just need like a minute